Hello, this is a review on the GPD Win 1 and 2 joystick covers. As you can see, I've already taken two out of their bag. They're exactly identical to the ones that come with the Win 2 or the later revisions of the Win 1. And you can easily put them on to replace, old or worn out analog stick covers. So you have to grab the cover itself, pinch, then it should come right off. So now you can see where the hard plastic of the joystick is showing. So now that you took off your old one, you can put the new one in. I do need two hands for this, so I can't show this part of the video. So after a bit of work, I managed to put the cover on, twist it a bit, and it fits on perfectly. It does work, full range of motion. I don't see it getting stuck anywhere. Like, it could be a problem if the cover was a bit too thick, but no, it's exactly the same as the original on the one to the right. Feels the same, it's grippy, and I have no complaints about it. So if you have an older Win 1 with those older stick covers, which are a bit slippery, you can upgrade them to this. Or if you have a newer Win 1 or a Win 2, then you can replace your old worn out covers. And that's it.